In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to use Etsy's Pattern to build a website. Complete tutorial. Pattern is Etsy's built-in website builder, designed to turn your shop into a standalone site while keeping everything synced. To get started, log into Etsy.com, open Shop Manager, head to Settings, and select Pattern. Choose Start Free Trial to unlock the editor. Etsy typically offers a 30-day free trial, which is perfect for setting things up and giving your site a proper test drive before you commit. Once you're inside Pattern, click Edit Site to choose your website theme. Browse the available themes, pick a layout that matches your brand and product range, and click Apply. These themes are intentionally simple and optimized for selling, which helps your product stay front and center. Take a moment to preview how the layout looks on mobile, since most shoppers browse on their phones. Next, customize your website. Start with branding by adding your logo and banner image, and then set fonts and colors that reflect your shop's personality. Keep typography clean and make sure text contrasts well with the background for readability. On the homepage, arrange featured listings to highlight bestsellers or new arrivals, add an About section to share your story, and use a concise shop announcement to communicate timely updates. Build essential pages like About, FAQ, Policies, and Contact so customers can find answers without leaving your site. All of this happens in the Pattern Editor, so you can make changes quickly and see them in real time. When you're ready to add a custom domain, you have two options. The simplest route is to buy a domain directly through Etsy inside Pattern. It connects automatically. If you already own a domain, go to Domains, click Connect Existing Domain, then update your DNS settings with your domain provider as instructed. Verification can take up to 48 hours, so don't worry if it doesn't switch over immediately. Before you publish, review your settings carefully. Confirm shipping settings, payment methods, and your tax setup, and run through a full test checkout to make sure everything flows smoothly. Pattern pulls in your Etsy listings, inventory, payment setup, and shipping profiles so your store data stays consistent and updates automatically across both your Etsy shop and your website. When everything looks right, click Publish, confirm your domain, and go live. Your site will be available at your custom address like www.yourdomain.com. After publishing, browse every page, test on mobile, and make sure images, links, and buttons behave as expected. You're all set to share your brand on a clean, dedicated website powered by your Etsy shop.